Yes, hello everyone, I'm back to my channel. I'm Khiem Chip Chip. Today a foreign guest came to Khiem Chip Chip to buy a motoscantab V2.5 and Khiem Chip Chip shares instructions and introductions. About the motoscantab V2.5, the device can be connected to the LED tab screen, or it can be connected to the phone you are using, and Khiem will chip in the instructions to connect both. Then we will go to the main screen to see when it is connected together, and then we go to the main screen. We will see first the gasoline engine, followed by the gasoline and electric engine. Next we can go there for advanced diagnostics. In that will automatically calculate the next adjustment or load the software. We can go there or apps or smart key or Odo or immobilizer, or we can simulate the signal, or we can test whether the battery is good or not. We can check the charging current and now Khiem Chip Chip will connect to the car and put the user manual directly on the car, and when we connect to the car we pin the jack completely automatically and connect it. It will also find automatic car, and when searching for an automatic car, it finds a car that you are currently working on, and this is a click tie car for us to connect to. It will find the click tie car that we are working on. Just the name of the car, click tie, and find it. Then go to the gasoline engine section and you will see, read the error code, delete the error code, view parameters, display performance, reset ECM, or we can view vehicle information. There's a lot in there, and there's a lot more in here. Khiem Chip will start the car engine to see the displayed parameters. Everyone can see the current parameters of this car. It will run up and down. Everyone will see what they're doing. Instructions: view this car's parameters. The parameters of each car will be different, and I will guide you on how to view the current parameters and when finished viewing. Everyone can come in here so you can test the sensor. Thank you. Make it test a lot of sensors on the car. All the sensors on the car. You don't need to take a meter to measure this machine itself. You can test it to know which sensor is good or which sensor is faulty. Just so I know, I'll still use the same cable as the read cable, but it won't work. But if I see the current parameters, I'll test it to find out which sensor is good or not. It's very simple. I'm a guest here. Foreigners also want to be manipulated to know how and when people buy phones. There are many cables. To go home, you can build many cars. In here, you can test enough and you can hold the phone itself. If you go further away or you sit on the table to drink water, you can still know if this car is having any errors or not, so you know what to do. Currently this car is starting, and you can go here to see the car's information, and Khiem Chip Chip gives very detailed instructions, so foreign buyers are still very satisfied. And now Khiem Chip Chip will show you how to pin the wires as well as connect to see if an ECM is alive or dead with the motoscantab machine, and to connect. The machine will also show us the pins to connect to. Connect, and when connected, the motoscantab will tell us where or what part is dead, so we can know how to replace it correctly, and in this menu it will be there for when you know the ECM is in which state to die. Click on it and it will be faster, but if you don't know what state to die in, you can choose to die in whichever state you're in. It will come out and it will find out for us. And this is a guide for you guys to know how to find out if this child is dead, see if it is living normally. Then we will take it to test and it will know if it is dead or not dead, or dead in a dead place. Everyone knows everything, and my video has ended. Hello and see you in the next videos. Hello and see you again.